Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Way to Health. Today we will understand what is Jal Neti and what are the benefits, contraindications, precautions one need to follow for the same. The Jal Neti term means, Jal means water and Neti means cleaning. So Jal Neti is a wonderful yogic practice for cleaning nasal cavity, mucus or any blockages. So to perform this practice, a special netipot should be used with lukewarm water. So water should be pure with your body temperature and mixed with salt in the right proportion of 1 teaspoonful for half liter of water. So now we will see how to do this practice. So you just saw the process. Now we'll talk about some important points which need to remember while the practice or after the practice. Number one is you have to insert the nozzle of netipot in your nostril very carefully. You must breathe from your mouth only while the practice. You have to start from your nostril, whichever is more open, and your nostrils must be dried after the practice. Now we'll talk about the precautions. You must breathe from your mouth only while the practice. First. Second, your nostrils must be dried after the practice. And third one is you have to perform Jal Neti whenever it is necessary. Now I will talk about contraindications. One should not perform Jal Neti when you are suffering from chronic bleeding in your nose, you are suffering from cold and flu, if your nose are blocked. Now I will talk about the benefits. Jal Neti helps in ear and throat infection. Jal Neti helps in insomnia, anger management, depression and stress. Jal Neti also help in migraine, and it also helps in calming the mind. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you so much.